Let me tell you a story you won't soon forget. It's about a stone, a devil, and a deal that changed everything. So, imagine this. The devil appears before the leader of a country. He holds out a glimmering time stone, promising it can control and stop time itself. All the leader has to do is pay the price. The devil leans in, sly smile on his face, and asks, "How much have you got?" The leader rushes off, gathers every book, every account, every last coin his country owns. He lays it all out, every bit of wealth, every resource, but the devil just laughs, not enough. "I'll come back in a month, bring more." Desperate now, the leader taxes his people to the bone. He reclaims private property, squeezes every ounce he can from every citizen. Next month, he lays it all before the devil again. Still, the devil shakes his head. Not enough. So the leader goes for broke. He takes out loans on the country's assets, mortgages the land, the buildings, its future. There's nothing left. The country's maxed out, empty. The devil returns. This time, he nods. The deal is done. And what does the leader do? He hands over everything, then quietly slips away to Switzerland with his new wife, leaving his country behind. Now, the country is broke. All the money is gone, owed to lenders. People work but don't get paid. They can't farm because the devil owns the land. Homes stand empty. The devil owns them too. The people are left with nothing. The lenders, who never get their money back, move in. They take over the land, offer jobs to the desperate, and rent out the homes. So, the people work. They pay rent. Those who can't, beg. Taxes go straight to the lenders now. Public services vanish, except for the police and army, who only show up to keep everyone in line. A nation once free, now a nation of slaves. All because one leader made a deal with the devil and traded everything for the promise of power. So next time someone offers you the world for a price, ask yourself who really ends up paying.